how much money do you think cost me to create these videos?
Come forth, all creatures, pair by pair, into the ark!
It cost me zero amount of money, which means it is absolutely free. And they were created with two of the best video generators out there, Grok Imagine and VEO 3. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how to use these great video models to generate any type of video you want. Plus, I'm also going to show you how you can use it unlimitedly, very legal, which means you can use it for free without paying a dime. So the name of this website is Gemini or GeminiGen.ai. So when you go on Google, you type GeminiGen.ai. I'm going to break it down, and if you're not careful, you will tell me in the comment section, oh, it's not free. But here is the step-by-step process of how you can do it. So when you open, you have to close this one. And then, so for example, I'm also going to show you every details you need to know when it comes to this one. So for example, when you come here, you see generate with Grok. I'm also going to show you the different models that you can actually use for free. And plus, I've already prepared my prompt, the prompt that we are going to use for this test. So for example, when you look at this prompt section, this is the bar. So for example, here are the models. Okay, you can select any of the models you want. We have ByteDance coming soon, and all of them. Here is VEO 3, Google VEO for free, and Grok AI for free. So this is an example so that you will avoid the mistake I'm trying to talk about. And you paste your prompt here. So here it's going to ask you to sign in, but don't worry, I've already told you that we're going to do everything simply. So you can sign in with any of your email account, or you can actually use temporary email to use it free of charge. And so this is what I'm trying to say. So when you paste in your prompt, you can actually check for you to know which models are actually free. This website, one thing that I have to let you know about this website is the free models keep changing. So today they bring VEO 3, tomorrow they're going to bring another video, even this afternoon they're going to bring another video. So it's up to you to look at it very well. For you to know which ones are free, you just come up here and you click on status. So when you click on status, you are going to see the success rate, right? So VEO 3.1 success rate is operational, meaning it's working. The VEO 3.1 fast is also working. VEO 2 is working. Grok video is also working 90%. And Meta AI is partial outage, so it's not working right now. If you check it, you won't gonna see it. Dance 2 is also 100% operational. So these ones that are in green, okay, the operational ones is what is actually working right now. So what you have to do is to select the one you want to use. So for example, since we are trying to use Grok AI and this one, so we click on Grok AI, yes, and then you come to the studio section. So here the Grok AI is selected, and also VEO 3 is also free. So any of them you want to choose, and don't forget I've already shown you. So when it comes to the model, this is where you have to select it. You can search for the ones you like. Remember the ones that was free in there. So here you can see Grok AI is absolutely free. Okay, if you have an image reference you want to select, you can select here, and then you put in your image reference. But if you are creating it from scratch, so first of all, if you want to select in between the video generation, chat, and image generation, you have to look up here where I've highlighted. Okay, if you want to chat with a model, you have to select here. If you want to generate video, you have to select here. And imagine or the image. So let's click on this one first, and then we come back to what we want to do. So you paste your prompt here, and you can see here the models. Nano Banana 2 is free. We have Imagine 2. Nano Banana 2 is also here, but this one is Nano Banana Pro. It's actually free. And then since we are selecting or we are generating image, you click on this one here, 16:9. And as you can see, you click here generate. So it's verified, and once it's done, everything is gonna start. So this is what I tried to tell you. Something went wrong. Okay, it says something went wrong. Human verification failed. Please try again. So you have to verify it. So if you do it well, you are going to see an amazing result. So this is the image that it generated, and I selected Grok AI. Okay, it really look nice. This is Grok imagined. So let's try another way. And if you're not careful, you're going to see it is not generating, but everything we are seeing here, it's working perfectly. You can see this is an amazing result. I selected Grok AI. Sometimes you can start generating the prompt, but it's going to tell you it failed because at that instant they've switched the one which is free. Everything I created cost absolutely 0 credit. Now let's come to the video. So when you want to generate a video, you select this one, and don't forget that I've already told you that there are different models on this platform, and sometimes you can get one for free, but as you see this video, you select another one. If you select the same thing, it might tell you it's not working because they've switched it. They keep on changing the model. So here you also have the option to create the video and also extend the video. So right now, let's select the Grok AI. And as you can see, it is here. So this is what we want to do. We just want to put in our prompt, but if you want to have an image reference, you can also do so. But we want to select video generation and text to prompt or text to video. And so you select the aspect ratio, which is 16:9 for YouTube. You also select the standard. You can select the standard or resolution high. And you can also choose the duration, 6 seconds or 10 seconds. So this platform is really, really great. And as you can see, this generation will cost 0 credit. So let's try it and see. As you can see, this is a video. You see, it's just incredible. Very beautifully created. And one amazing thing is I use Grok Imagine. This is the image we generated using Grok Imagine. So here you have the option. You can either recreate the video, extend the video, or download the video. And don't forget we chose the high 720, which is HD. We could have chosen 10 seconds, but we decided since it is just for tutorials, we chose 6 seconds. So this is just incredible. Just look at the quality. Very incredible. Let me open the full screen so you can see. Very incredible. See? So this thing we are learning here is not a joke. Okay, so if you want to download, you can click here, and if you want to extend it, you can click here to extend and add some of the prompt to it. But we just want to download. So as you can see, it is downloaded and it's very incredible. You see? No, I don't want to generate multiple times. Okay, so the video is generated. That is why I said I want you to try this website, which is incredibly great. We are also going to text the second prompt. So here we can select Google 3. So let's select that one and see. If you also have an image you've generated somewhere, you can also bring it in. So you select the model here. So let's say so that means, and also here when you click on the generation mode, you can click on normal, extremely cozy, or crazy. So it depends. It all depends on the one you think you like. Okay, so when I click on the VEO, it still comes back to the Grok, which means the VEO right now is not free. You see, I told you that they keep changing and switching. So when I click on the section here, it says it's operational, which means it's 80%, 86% successful. But somehow it has to keep changing before you can actually use it. So let's go back to the studio. Okay. And right now, Meta AI, ByteDance, Clink, and all these ones, you may see it as operational, but it's not. Sometimes it changes, just as I've said before. So you keep switching. Now let's select or choose our second prompt. So here we have the imagine. We generated the image first and we select Grok. So we paste our image inside. And this is really great. So select image as reference. I want to use the image I created so it becomes sequential. So here you select the aspect ratio, and when you look down here, this generation will cost 0 credits. Okay, and we click on generate. The verification is done. It is going to start. So here it is generating. And boom, this is the video, which is so beautiful. Let's take a look at it. It's really beautiful, okay? But this website really takes trickish ways to work your ways around it. Just as I told you, they keep switching models after models. So if you're doing and it tells you it's wrong, you have to select the different model to generate the video. And it's really trickish, so you have to, it's all about patience. When you're patient, you can actually do it. So yeah, we are generating a different image, and then we turn that image into a video. As you can see, this is an incredible picture. This was even just a video prompt, but I turned it into an image prompt or image generation. Now let's turn this into a video using the same tool, which is absolutely free. Also, something I have to show you on this website, this one has finished generation, but sometimes it doesn't show like this. But when you see the download button, then you know it is free. You download and you see. But if you're waiting to see the preview, you may not see it until you download it, so you take note of that. Now here we are going to turn the image into video. So you click on the video generation, and it has already selected Grok AI file, which means that one is free for now. Okay, so you select your image reference, which is the image we just generated, and you select the aspect ratio and the resolution and also duration. Mostly you have to select the 6 seconds. Normally Grok, that's what we know from Grok, right? And you click on generate. Let's wait, and boom, our video is done. So let's watch it together. Well, these are incredible, right? So this is how you can use this website for free. And that's it for you today. This video generation is really incredible, and I only want you to test it. Try it. You're gonna see and testify that everything that we are learning here is really true, and absolutely free. You can use it unlimitedly. Just keep on changing the models and you're good to go. If today is your first time here, I want to remind you that Jesus loves you. Jesus is calling you. He wants you to give your life to him, and I promise you he's going to make you a better person. If you don't know Jesus, I highly and humbly recommend that you accept Jesus today as your personal Lord and Savior. Until then, keep creating, keep being awesome. If you want to generate more videos for your Faceless channels and everything, or you want to learn anything about AI video generations and how to use AI to make money, please subscribe to VEO Masterclass, and we shall see you in our next video. God bless you.